Satellite communications are the next technology breakthrough or more space junk? Across the globe, public safety agencies, governments, and enterprises really rely on robust communications. But today, even the most advanced 4G and 5G networks have their limits. We see rural areas, we see large-scale emergency responses where their connectivity is compromised. And that is why the industry is now looking up the sky. Non-terrestrial networks and satellites are really there to support and enhance traditional terrestrial infrastructure to make sure that no area is left disconnected. Omdia has seen an expansion of the amount of low Earth orbiting or LEO satellites. These really make sure and make feasible and possible low latency connectivity, which is vital for critical communications. In parallel, we are seeing 3GPP already establishing the foundation where the standards support the integration of satellite communication into existing 5G networks. It is important for telcos across the globe not to sleep on this because we are already seeing early adoption. We just witnessed the announcement from T-Mobile and Starlink's partnership, and we are seeing the same example across the globe, for example, AST with other telcos. So it is important to close with the fact that this technology is not there to replace terrestrial infrastructure, but in order to enhance and make sure that outdoor coverage holes are no longer a limitation.